Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to convert a Lovable website into an app. First, open the Lovable website that you want to turn into an app. Ensure the website is fully functional and loads correctly. Go to the address bar at the top of your browser. Click once on the website link so it is fully selected. Right-click and choose Copy. Now, open a new tab in your browser. Type median.co and press Enter. Once the website opens, create a new account using your email and password. If you already have an account, simply log in. After logging in, you will see a field where you can add your website link. Click inside that field. Paste the Lovable website link that you copied earlier. Once the link is pasted, look for the button that says Build App. Click on Build App. The system will now start converting your Lovable website into a mobile app. This process can take a few minutes, so be patient and wait until it finishes. When the process is complete, your app will be ready. You will see a download button at the bottom right corner of the page. Click on the download button. A list of different app versions will appear. Choose the version you want to download. In front of that version, click on the Build option. After a short moment, the download button will appear for that version. Click the download button to save your app file to your device. That is all. Thanks for watching.